Welcome to Effects Crates tutorial for our Leprechaun crate. I'm Rob Fitz, owner of the Magic Parlor and a makeup artist, and this is Oscar. Oscar is going to be our victim. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add probably some white to it to make his skin look kind of unnaturally pale, to look a little creepy. Creepy leprechauns are what we're going for. You can see the difference in skin tone. Now, one of the things you can do is I'm wiping this on and kind of blending it, but you also will do yourself a great favor to stipple well. And stippling is when you pat the makeup on. You can also use a stipple sponge, or you can tear a sponge in half and use the rough side. That's always a good thing. So we got a good base tone here. So we have this is a number 6 Krylon sable brush that came with one of the previous crates. And what comes with this crate is this is a deep black eyeshadow Krylon product. Get in there, I'll show you what it looks like. Because it's eyeshadow, it's powder based. So you can make a nice, faded line. What we're going to do is we're going to start by going along the lines of like where his wrinkles are naturally got to exist, changing the shape of them slightly. This right here just kind of separates the cheek, kind of makes them look old, kind of like you're creating an old age makeup. You can also add a little black under here, and this makes his nostrils flare a bit, which makes him look a little more unnatural as well. Just kind of change. You can do little things like this to change the shape of the face's features. If you want the nose to look longer, you really make that shade come out, like you shade right around there, and then you're almost like sculpting the face like the natural lines. And then if you mess up, it's okay, you can take it away, blend it a little bit. One of the things that's really effective with making the nose like thinner and more pointy is right in here, fade this. There's like a symmetry, you're trying to create. So when you're doing it, you have to make the other side kind of match as closely as possible, All right. So one of the things that I like to do, this right here is his cheekbone. We like to accent the cheekbone as well. And you can also do that with this. Just get a little of the black liner in there, and then blend it away. That's what you got in the kit. And it kind of creates this hard edge, also thins his face out. Some people, their eyes will just start watering, and then you get a big mess. But so always give the person a break as far as like their eyes, if they've never had makeup done around their eyes or they don't do it themselves too much. That if you have the actor or performer kind of scrunch their brow together, they get this sort of worry lines, I guess they're called. And then we have, you subtly paint in shading in the temples, some a little sunken in. Right here, this jawbone, you can trace a line right here and make his chin more pointed. And this is all with just cosmetics. It's like old vaudeville stage makeup. This is a black Kryolan contour pencil. These are also useful for just like making, little accents and lines around. This one's around the mouth, but I think it look like he has this wrinkly old leprechaun mouth. In this character, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of paint in. You want square teeth or you want sharp teeth?
Sharp.
Sharp?
Sharp.
Okay. You're a nasty leprechaun. You're going to bite people, right?
Mm-hmm.
The way to face paint, you often take, your colors and make them highly contrasted so you can do things like this. Make the teeth. So we get a little red here. Red Graftobian. So we're going to add some details. So one old trick I learned in doing makeup, like cosmetic makeup, is head down a little bit. So look up to the ceiling. See this lid? If your subject will allow you, you can actually get a little color on that lid. Now look at me. If you get a little color on the lid, it really brings out the redness of their eyes. Make them look really creepy. But you can do, if you're doing like a regular cosmetic eyeliner and you get it right on the lid, you can make a person's eyes look smaller. Now, we have this product here. This is the Skin Liner, the Kryolan product. And this is a pen that is a makeup pen. And it's cool. It's like makeup with a Sharpie. So you can take these lines that I kind of did some of this work is sloppy in here, a lot of it, but then what you can do is, you want to make it really sharpen your brush strokes. It works really nice. This little pen is really nice to deepen blacks, like especially under hair, like under the brows. Even though your evil leprechaun will give you some little rosy in the cheeks.
Gotta bait him in.
Right. I'm like, oh, he's got rosy cheeks. He's not a bad guy. And then, oh, I'm dead. This one's the one wash glitter spray.
Oh, good. One wash.
Which means it's 3 or 4 washes. So there you go. Using some different tools, using some techniques to create a fantasy character out of like almost like face paint, but you're using more than face paint. You're using shadows and you're using pens and liners and all that stuff. There you have it, the leprechaun from the Leprechaun Crate. welcome to effects